Hi everybody, this is Jamie. I'm going to continue on and show you the Stocks app. In this app we'll have a look at the real-time updating capabilities as well as the ability to post events into the Silver Mobile server. So when we first click on this app we see a blank screen. We're able to go ahead and add stocks that we're interested in following. Right away we see that they're just kind of stationary. They don't change. And what we can do is we can post events into Silver Mobile server, and then just the events that a particular mobile user is interested in will go ahead and get sent to the devices in real time. So how you post the events into Silver Mobile server, there's a script, example script we've included under Silver Mobile SDK example scripts. If you haven't installed Groovy, now would be a good time to do that. I suggest 1.86. Configure that up and you should be good to go by invoking Groovy with the stock feed.groovy script. And then what we do is we put stocks st because you can either send it to the jQuery app or the stocks st app. So when we hit that, every 5 seconds the script has a wait. Every 5 seconds it will post new events into the system. Obviously these are completely bogus prices. Okay, so and then of course you can go ahead and keep adding stuff. Alright, so let's have a look at what's going on here. I'm going to just stop that, and in the stocks st app directory there are 3 files. Usually the main just has just some setup, some boilerplate setup code. But in this app we are going to register to listen for events, and we're going to give it the function name on event to listen to. That is found in the data.js file. And in this function on event, what we're doing is we're going to just log something, and then we're going to update stock with the body of the event. So the body of the event will actually be the JSON object, which really just has name, symbol, price, change, percent change, and things like that. That's all in JSON as it comes to JavaScript. So here we just update this what's called a store. So really you need to study up on Sencha a bit to get to fully grasp this. So I'm just going to really cover at a high level. So you can update the store, and immediately that will the view will change because as I said earlier, Sencha has a model view controller type frameworks, which is really nice. Now what we do, let me then show you the stocks UI, which is really the where all the user interface stuff is. There are 2 panels defined. Okay, the first one is in this curly braces, and the next panel is here. And what they are is this panel refers to when I click the add button, I get a full list, and I'm able to, when I tap on a new item, okay, if I tap on Apple, what it'll do is it'll invoke this item tap where we'll update the stock, and then we're going to set predicate. So it'll just really update the one stock, but then it's going to reset the predicate, which means it's going to create a new, effectively a where clause to send to Silver Mobile. So it's going to create this string here, event symbol in, and then it's going to create a clause that has all the symbols, ADBE, comma, ALTR, comma, etc. And then it's going to set event criteria there. So that way every mobile device only gets the stock updates that it's interested in receiving. Now the one last piece here is we need to go to the apps page under under stocks st. We see that we've set what we call an event tag, which is what we're just really saying is for the events that flow into this application, we want to index the symbol field, and so that way it'll drastically speed up the system. So that concludes this segment. Thank you very much.